Ramazan, also called Ramadan, is the ninth month of the Islamic calendar and is considered the holiest month of Muslims. It is observed the fasting from dawn to sunset, refraining from food, drink, smoking and sinful behavior. The fast is broken at sunset with Iftar and the pre-dawn meal is called Suhoor. Significance of Ramadan. It is believed that the Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam during this month. It is a time for spiritual reflection, increase, worship and charity. The last 10 nights are especially significant with Laylatul Qadr, night of power, which is considered the most blessed night. Practices during Ramadan, fasting, Sawm, a key pillar of Islam, prayer, Salat, Muslims perform extra prayers, especially Taraweeh at night, charity, Zakat and Sadaqah, encouraged to help the less fortunate, recitation of the Quran. Many Muslims aim to complete the Quran during this month. End of Ramadan, the month ends with Eid al-Fitr, a celebration marked by special prayers, fasting and giving charity, Zakat al-Fitr, to the needy. Thanks for watching and listening.